In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your security token in Salesforce, a critical task that can be accomplished in just a few minutes. Whether you're troubleshooting an issue or setting up a new integration, knowing how to reset your security token is essential. So let's dive right in and walk through this straightforward process. The first thing you need to do is log into your Salesforce account. Once you're in, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. There you'll find your avatar, which is usually represented by either your photo or your initials. Go ahead and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear, and from there, you're going to select Settings. This is where you'll find all your personal configuration options. After you've entered the settings page, direct your attention to the left-hand menu. You're looking for a section labeled My Personal Information. Under that section, there's an option to Reset My Security Token. Click on that. The security token is a key piece of information used to grant access to third-party apps and integrations that link to your Salesforce account, so managing it properly is crucial. Now, on to the next step. Once you're on the Reset My Security Token page, you'll see an option that says Reset Security Token. This is the button you're going to click. What happens next is that Salesforce will automatically send a brand new security token to your registered email address. This is the same email you used to create your Salesforce account, so make sure you have access to it. Head over to your email inbox and look for the message from Salesforce. If you don't see it right away, be sure to check your spam or junk folder just in case it ended up there. The email will contain the new security token, and it's important to keep it secure and confidential. Finally, the purpose of having this security token is to use it when you're connecting Salesforce to other apps or setting up API integrations. Whenever an app asks for your Salesforce credentials, it may also ask for this token, acting like a second password, ensuring that your data remains safe and secure. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to reset your security token in Salesforce. Just remember to keep your token secure and only share it with trusted apps. If you ever need to reset it again, simply follow these steps. Thanks for watching, and feel free to leave any questions or comments down below. Have a great day, and see you next time.